Hey! Sorry. Better not stand there either.
You and I, moving in the dark, bodies close, but souls apart.
Yes. Henry Ford to see Mr. Devaney.
Who?
Henry Ford.
Come in, please.
All right, I'm up. Hello.
Hi.
Well, you don't look like a bodyguard.
What did you expect?
Well, I don't know. Maybe a tough guy.
This is my disguise.
You're fine. You want to come here with me? Just to be safe? Look at me, farmer!
To see you in the light, but you hide behind the color of the night. I can't go home, running from the past. Love has torn away this mask, and now like clouds, like rain, I'm drowning and I blame it all on you. And I'm lost, God save me. And I'll give you everything I am, and everything I want to be. I'll put it in your hands. If you could open up to me, oh, can't we ever get beyond this all? 'Cause all I want is just once to see you in the light, but you hide behind the color